how I got started with my online business? Well, you see, at this time of my life, I was working as a manager for a well-known chain in Sweden. I was working endless amounts of hours, always running around, extinguishing fires and handling new crises at work. When I finally came home, I was exhausted with absolutely no energy left for me and my children and my husband. I always had this feeling of guilt for not being present in their lives. It all ended up with me being burnt out and depressed. I was literally spending months in bed with blinders down. I knew I had to quit my job because just thinking of going back felt like I was strangled. And then I happened to see this ad on YouTube from a Swedish guy, Martin. He talked about a new way of making money. He showed me that I can build a business from home using my laptop and my mobile. At first I was very skeptical because I had a previous business online selling audiobooks and ebooks. From different reasons, this business went bankrupt. I was afraid of investing into a new dream and lose all my money again. But something in Martin's message caught my interest, so I kept listening when he showed me different opportunities online. He showed me examples of how to sell physical products on Amazon, or something that was even more exciting and new to me, high-ticket affiliate. Basically, it means that you can promote other companies' products or services and get commission from that. To be honest, I had no idea what it meant, but I became curious. Martin, who now, by the way, is not only one of my mentors but a dear friend to me, sent me a series of videos and workshops that explains more in detail what is possible when starting up a business of my own. I began to watch those videos and I was hooked. The very same day I sent in my application for the full education system. A new world opened up to me and suddenly I woke up every morning eager to continue my step-by-step education, building a new home-based business. I'm glad that I didn't listen to my inner voice that this might be too good to be true and that I was not a skilled marketing professional or my lack of tech skills. It turned out that this was so much more than just a video course. It was a full package education system with live webinars, so I always had someone to ask when I got stuck. Also experienced leaders that really cared for each and every member. A ton of courses and trainings to dig into when needed, but best of all, a community that is totally unique. From being a boss, feeling very alone for so many years, I was suddenly surrounded of like-minded, positive people that has the same goal as me, create a life on our own terms. Click the button below to this video, and after you clicked it, enter your name and email address on my website. You'll hear a full walkthrough on how to build an online business from scratch with the same community, mentors and education that took me from being a burnt out, depressed in the corporate world into figuring out how to spend more time with my children and my partner. This video workshop I'm going to send to your inbox is completely free. Take action right now, like I did, and start create the life you truly want to be living. I hope this empowers you to make some real changes in your life. So click the link around this video and I look forward to see you in your emails.